Good morning. My name is Dan Murphy. I'm a lawyer based out of Edmonton, Alberta, and I wanted to discuss with you human rights complaints. There's two mechanisms of human rights complaints. There's federal complaints and there's provincial complaints. Federal is dictated by where you work. So if you work for a railway, for example, that's a federal entity, and you would go to the Federal Human Rights Commission. If it's a provincial body, you would go to the Provincial Human Rights Commission and make application there. In terms of an application, this is where a lawyer can help you. In terms of identifying grounds where you would have been discriminated against, there are recognized grounds: race, ethnic origin, religion, age, sex, family status, gender, marital status, disability, conviction for an offense which hasn't been granted a pardon, which is an unusual one because that's often a bar to employment. However, what you do is you prepare the complaint, you prepare the documentation for the complaint, and you submit it. The opposing party has an opportunity to respond to you, and at some point the commission will engage with you. They can go directly to a hearing, but typically they engage in some sort of alternative dispute resolution, whether this is some negotiation between the parties on the phone, a mediation of some sort. This can be a method by which settlement can be achieved without the need for a full hearing. If a full hearing occurs, again, I highly recommend you have a lawyer to present the evidence that you've put together, and if they've helped you draft it, they're going to do a much better job of presenting your story. Of course, the Human Rights Commission, if it's found that there is legitimacy to your complaint, can provide, recourse in terms of monies and other remedies to correct the behavior of the offending party, or to at least punish the behavior of the offending party. So in terms of the Human Rights Commission, this is another avenue one can take when dismissed, if they feel they were dismissed for a reason which fits within one of those categories. As I say, it often can be used as a supplement to a settlement amount. Okay, so that's all I have to say about the Human Rights Commission. If you have any questions, just look us up at the mdlawgroup.ca and book a consultation with me about any issues in regards to human rights or employment. I'm happy to speak with you. Take care.